salam sejahtera buat kita semua. Di sini saya akan mempresentasikan praktikum 8 basis data lanjut dengan subbab creating procedure. Nama saya Rubian Semamora, NLP 7411030044 dengan dosen pembimbing Rengga Asmara. Objective: after completing this session, you should be able to do the following: distinguish anonymous PLSQL block from named PLSQL blocks subprograms, describe subprograms, list the benefit of using subprograms, list the different environment from which some subprogram can be invoked, describe PLSQL block and subprogram, describe the uses of procedures, differentiated between formal and actual parameters, is the feature of different parameter models, create procedures with parameters, invoke a procedure, remove a procedure. PLSQL program construct. This tool construct and database server construct. A tool construct anonymous block, application procedure or function, application package, application trigger, object type. Add database server construct anonymous block, storage procedure or function, storage package, database trigger, object type. Overview of subprograms. A subprogram is a named PLSQL block that can accept parameter and be invoked from a calling environment. Is of two types: a procedure that perform an action, a function that complete a flow. Is based on standard PLSQL block structure, provides modularity, reusability, extensibility, and manageability. Provide AC maintains improved data security and integrity, improved performance, and improved code clarity. Block structure for anonymous PLSQL block. Declare optional, declare PLSQL subject to be object. Declare PLSQL object to be used within this block. Again, mandatory, define the acceptable statement. Exception, optional, define the action that takes place if an error or exception arises. And block structure for PLSQL subprogram. Header is a subprogram specification declaration section. Begin acceptable section, exception optional, exception section. PLSQL subprogram. From code repeat more than once on a PLSQL program. 2. Subprogram P, which constrain the repeat code. And PLSQL program invoked to subprogram at multiple locations. To subprogram P, which constrain the repeat code. Benefit of subprograms: AC maintains improved data security and integrity, improved performance, improved code ability. Developing subprogram by using PLSQL plus. This image for developing subprogram. Invoke storage procedure and function. First, Oracle portal, Oracle discoverer, Oracle from developer, and good to log execute procedure. What is procedures? A procedure is a type of subprogram that performs an action. A procedure can be stored in the database as a scheme object for repeat execute. Syntax for creating procedure: create or replace procedure name, parameter 1 mode 1 data type, parameter 2 mode 2 data type 2 is as scale block. The replace option indicates that if the procedure exists, it will drop and replace with the new version created by statement. The SQL block start with either begin or the declaration of local variable and ends with either. Developing procedures. Editor code to create procedure: file.sql, esql plus load and execute file.sql. 2. Oracle shortcut for compile, execute, and execute. Formal versus actual parameter. Formal parameter variable declared in parameter list or subprogram specification. Create procedure result, PID number, PMO number. Actual parameter variable or expression reference in the parameter list of subprogram call. Example: result PID 2000. Procedural parameter modus. Calling improvement to procedure in parameter, out parameter, in out parameter. Declare begin, next exception, and creating procedure with parameter. In default mode. Example: in default mode must be specific, in out must be specific. In value is passed into program, out return to calling informant, in out pass into subprogram, return to calling informant. In formal parameter act as a constant, out initialized variable, in out initialized variable. In actual parameter can be a literal expression, constant, or initialized variable, and out must be a variable, in out must be a variable. In can be assigned a default value, out cannot be assigned a default value. In out cannot be assigned a default value. In parameters. Example: 176 to PID. And syntax: create or replace procedure press salary, PID in develop, employee ID percent type is begin, update employee set salary is salary bintang 1.1, where employee ID is PID and raise salary. Out parameter. Example: calling informant 171 to PID and query employee procedure. Smith pay name, pay salary, and pay comp. Out parameter. Example: employee query SQL, create or replace procedure query employee, PID in employee ID type, pay name out employee last name percent type, pay salary out employees salary percent type, pay comp out employees commission PGT percent type. Is begin select last name salary commission PGT into pay name pay salary pay comp from employee, where employee ID is PID and query and viewing out parameter. Look and run the employee query.sql script file to create the query employee procedure. Declare host variable, execute the query employee procedure, and print the value global dynamic variable is not parameter. Calling environment to format bound procedure and loop. Viewing in out parameter variable given no varchar 2 15 begin given no x00 633 0575 and print given no execute format bound given no print given no in this print screen. Method for passing parameter. Positional list actual parameter in some order as formal parameter. Name list actual parameter in arbitrary order by associating each with its corresponding formal parameter. Combination list some of the actual parameter as positional and some as name. Default option for parameter. In name in department name percent type we syntax default unknown. Keylog in department location id percent type default this. Example for passing parameter begin adapt training $2,500 and depth dialog bigger 2,400 rename bigger education at depth dialog bigger 1,200. Select department ID, department name, login ID from department, and this print screen for this syntax. Declare subprogram leave employee2.sql. Click or replace procedure with employee2. PID in employee ID percent type is procedure log accept is begin insert to log table user ID log data slash user this date and log action begin delete from employee or employee ID and PID log accept and with employee. Invoking procedure from another procedure process ems.sql. In the box right, raise salary, employee rank, employee ID. Handle exception. Calling procedure proc arg1 2 procedure proc 2 is begin exception and proc 2 and back to syntax first. Unhandle exception. Same from proc 2 arg1 2 procedure proc 2 is begin exception, but in exception doesn't execute. Handle and back to syntax first. Removing procedure. Drop a procedure stored in the database. Drop procedure name example. Drop procedure raise salary. Summary. In this lesson, you should have learned that a procedure is a subprogram that performs an action. You create procedure by using the create procedure command. You can compile and save procedure in the database. Parameters are used to pass data from calling information to the procedure. There are parameter mode in, out, and in out. Local subprograms are programs that are defined within declared section of another program. Procedure can be invoked from any tool or language that support PLSQL. You should be aware of effect of handle and unhandle exception on traction and calling procedure. Summary. You can remove procedure from the database by using drop procedure command. Procedure can serve as building block for an application. Practice overview. This practice covers the following topic: creating stored procedure 2, insert new row into a table using sample parameter values, update data in table for rows matching with sample parameter values, delete rows from a table that match the supplied parameter values, query a table and retrieve database and on supply parameter values, handling exception in procedure, compiling and invoking procedure. Latihan soal. Nomor 1, buat prosedur add job untuk menambahkan baris data baru ke dalam tabel jobs. Prosedur memiliki dua parameter yang menampung kode job dan nama job. Di sini sintaknya kita membuat create or replace prosedur add job, lalu kita add job, job id %type, job name, job title %type. This begin insert into jobs, job id, job title, values id, job name, add and add job. Prosedur akan terbuat, lalu kita bikin add job id 2.3b. Maka akan keluar seperti printing di bawah ini. Soal 2, buat prosedur up job memodifikasi data pada tabel job. Prosedur memiliki dua parameter, kedua job dan nama job yang baru. Buat extension handle untuk menangani kode job yang tidak ada pada tabel jobs. Berikan pesan bahwa kode job tidak ada dalam tabel jobs. Jalankan prosedur untuk mengganti kode job DBA diganti dengan titel data administrator. Cobalah dengan kode job yang tidak ada di tabel jobs, misal kode job ID web, dan perhatikan apakah extension handling telah berjalan dengan lancar. Seperti pada gambar, maka akan keluar setelah kita sintak, maka akan keluar job ID, edit program, job title, data administrator, minimal salary 4.000, maksimal salary 10.000. Terima kasih perhatiannya.